Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I'm going to draw and walk through the character Jaxon Jackyl from the animation series Clucky's Logic animated by Gametoons. In the vibrant world of Clucky's Logic, one character stands out for his cunning and relentless pursuit, Jaxon Jackyl. This anthropomorphic crimson jackal, with his menacing golden tooth gleaming beneath his black robber's mask, serves as both a notorious thief and the series' primary antagonist. His striking appearance is accentuated by a gold ear piercing on his left ear, a sleek black vest, and a black and gold belt that complements his pair of black and gold boots adorned with spurs. Jaxon's obsession with Clucky's almost chicken is the core of his villainous motives. Despite his nefarious ways, the jackal's fixation on this peculiar delicacy is more than mere greed. His hunger is a result of Clucky's enigmatic involvement with the almost chicken, which has somehow rendered it irresistibly addictive. Clucky, ever the manipulative force, exploits this weakness, having even promised Jaxon as a meal to an unsuspecting player. This promise was not just an idle threat but a strategic move to further entwine Jaxon in a web of deceit and desperation. As the nemesis of Clucky, Rufus Ribbit, Polar Prince, and Barney Beaverton, Jaxon's role in the series is pivotal. His attempts to seize the almost chicken drive much of the conflict and action, making him a central figure in the ongoing struggle against Clucky's schemes. His every move is calculated, driven by an insatiable hunger and a complex web of motivations that make him a compelling and formidable foe. In Gametoons' last episode, the waiter is instructed to recycle the chicken from the bucket in the basement recycling room. Despite his fear and desire to quit, Clucky insists that he complete his shift and collect 20 of Clucky's chicken buckets. Clucky warns him to be cautious of the sneaky Jaxon Jackyl, who is notorious for stealing and eating all the signature Clucky's chickens. As the waiter works in the basement, he encounters Jaxon, who attempts to attack him. Clucky's warning to hide proves crucial as the waiter tries to evade Jaxon. A wanted poster is visible, offering a reward of $500 for Jaxon's capture, dead or alive. While collecting the 20 buckets, the waiter is startled by Jaxon's shadow and jumps into a pitball pool, only to find himself face to face with the pitball monster. This tense moment marks Jaxon Jackyl's dramatic entry into the Gametoons universe. From then on, Jaxon appears throughout the series, continuing his role as a central antagonist. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.